big forward tonight is about preseason readiness. This is the point of the cycle where schools should be locking down definitions, testing forms, checking communication paths, preparing event logic, aligning admissions and aid, and deciding who is actually going to own each part of the student experience. And that last part matters, because one of the most dangerous phrases in enrollment is "we are ready." Ready means different things depending on who says it. Marketing may mean the campaigns are scheduled. Admissions may mean the applicant is open. And financial aid may mean that they are waiting on data. IT may mean the page loaded during testing. Leadership, of course, may mean that they saw a slide and liked the colors. Those are not the same thing. July is where you find those gaps before students find them for you. This week, CRM State is getting a lot of preseason attention. They have built reports for inquiry flow, event participation, app starts, source tracking, counselor activity, and even early funnel pacing. On paper, that looks strong. The issue is whether the reports actually lead to decisions. A dashboard that nobody acts on is just office decor with filters.
One is always pleased to see preparation. One becomes less pleased when preparation consists of counting objects no one intends to govern.
And that is, of course, Leonard Aidtab, already disappointed and somehow overdressed through the phone. But Leonard is right. The point is not to have a beautiful reporting stack. The point is to know what each signal should trigger. If app starts lagging, who acts? If event registrations rise from the wrong population, who notices? If aid questions spike before packages are ready, who owns that response? And if the portal traffic rises and completion does not, who checks whether the path is broken? That is the July work.
And if the answer is we'll discuss it at the next standing meeting, then congratulations! You have built a museum for delayed decisions.
And that is our Corey Smith Halrick, entering the season in regular form. And yes, that is the test. A July plan should not just say what you will measure, it should say what you will do when the measures move. CRM State has a real chance this season. They have the infrastructure, they have dashboards, they have people who care about process. That can become adaptive enrollment management. It can also become a shiny swamp. The difference is whether CRM State knows which metrics matter and what actions follow. Pell Grant A&M is less loud. Their prep is less flashy. The early read is that when they have cleaner communication rules, clearer ownership, and stronger alignment between admissions and aid. Well, that can just be a boring July, but that is dangerous in April.
A quiet system with clear owners will beat a loud system with 47 charts. Every chart asks for attention, but only a few deserve it.
Thank you, Silas. And that might actually be the whole episode. July is not about noise. July is about readiness. And readiness means the system can sense, decide, act, and learn before the cycle starts throwing punches.